Okay, so I had a little think and thought, let's do some lanyards. Lanyard goes around your neck. Yeah, you know what a lanyard is. You're not daft people, are you? Very simple Solomon bar. You can put whatever you kind of like in there. You could make it a twisted Solomon bar. You could make it a snake knot. You could do whatever you like. Then just a little cheap carabiner in there. You could put your keys on it. You could put your ID badge on it. You could, I don't know, clip it to absolutely anything. Do whatever colours you like, and it is extremely simple to make. So I've got a carabiner there, got the trusty lighter, and I've opened these already today, so no farting about. Right, what have I got here? I reckon I've got about 6-ish foot of cord. We ain't going to need to use all of it. But what we'll do is, we'll start off by finding the centre point, like so. We'll go down so far. Now this bit would vary how long you would like it. I'll say that we're gone down for around about, what's that, 14 inches ish. And that'll take it for me. Let's hang on a minute. It'll get it round my head, and it'll go right between me moobs. Yeah. And then obviously then what we'll have is the pattern too. So I've got it for about that. Big enough for me head. So we need to take the carabiner. And we're going to use this as our anchor point, I suppose, and then it's going to be simple. So if you watched my video on the Flatman, then we're going to be doing exactly that, only around this instead. So because I've started below, I'll start over. I will send the other one over the top, behind and through the top of the loop, and pull them tight. And that is the start then of the cobra knot. I'll show you a couple more times, and then I'll do a little speed up. It's going to be a short and sweet video, this one. Unless I can show you a couple more, can't I? I'll show you the snake knot variant, I suppose, if you're good. So this one, it's above. So we'll go behind. We'll go like this. Oh, I've got a small child that's come to say hello. It goes under, over the top, and then down through. And we'll pull it tight. It's there, it's under, so we go over. We go over the top, behind, up through the loop that we just created. Pull it tight. And that is the start of that trusty old cobra knot. So I'll carry it on and speed it up. We don't need loads, still leaves enough there. Pop your head in, gives you a nice little bit of pattern, and you've got something to clip your keys on, your ID badge, whatever kind of badge you got. And then what do? We give it a snip, give it a little singe, give it a snip, give it a little singe. That's my finger. There we go. Very simple, but quite different looking lanyard, paracord. So I'll show you a different type. Shall we do the twisted one? There we go. I found a lovely pink, nice and bright. And these, oh God, I left my scissors there, didn't I? Nice and bright. Well, that's me being unprepared, isn't it? Because now it's all tangled. That's alright, we can fix that. I would say we've probably got a little bit more than what we had before. I can trim that down. It seemed to be just about the right amount there. And what we'll do is, I'll show you the two different cobra knots. There's the twisty one and the untwisted one. So what did we say I did? About 14 inches, wasn't it? Lucky guy. There we go. Excuse me. So we're going to do the same again. We're going to use... Oh, I'm all a fumble. Oh my God, do you know what? Just go in there. There we go. I'm going to use just a clear silver boring carabiner there. Right then. So if you remember the cobra knot, or the Solomon bar, whichever you'd like to call it, and what I said in the other video, the Flatman video, well, if you keep doing the same knot, this will twist. So how about this then? So we're going to start it off as we have started off all the others. Tell you what, we're not going to start it off like that, are we? Did I say I was a fumble? I meant it. Right, let's get it right, shall we? Around the back, over the top, around the front, through the loop. There we go. Pull them tight, and we've got the start. So just here is where we're going to be carrying it on. Make this nice and tight. So ordinarily, if we're going to do a normal Solomon's bar, this ends underneath. We would go over the top. But what we're going to do is, we're going to keep going around the back. Every time we do this knot, it's going to be around the back. Then you watch this take on a twist of its own. Up, around the back, around, over the top, and through. Pull it tight. You see it's starting to go off course now. Around the back, tuck, over the top, and through. Pull it tight. You got yourself a twisted Solomon's bar, DNA strand, helter skelter. I don't know what you'd want to call it. And then of course, snip the ends, singe the ends. You've got yourself a nice paracord lanyard with a difference. Paracord lanyard with a twist. Hey, I think I've just found the name for the video. You can in fact also do the flat. You can incorporate a twist and then a flat and then a twist. But a lot of the time, I mean, you can make the bracelets out of these. You can make dog leads, I mean dog collars out of these. Absolutely endless. Once you've mastered the simple Solomon bar, you are well, yeah, your possibilities are endless with these. But yeah, I hope you liked this instalment of the EDC Weekly, which I'm hoping isn't too bad. And always remember, Sleaford Dippers magnet fishing, I'm better at it.